Okay, hey, where are you, Dan? I can't even see. Okay, let me see the little outfit. He's got his little genie man. They got into the costume box. Here we go in the garage, trying to get rid of some stuff, and they don't want to let anything. Okay, go, girl. We got Cheetah Girl. Check the outfit. Whoa, Emma.
I'm Cheetah Girl.
Good. Emma, do a little back. Emma, do a little backwards one.
I can only do it once.
Okay, wait a second. Go, Dan, go.
I'm Mr. Videotape
Whoa.
Girl.
Cool. Well, okay, come fast, Dan. Oh, speed skater. You gonna learn how to ice skate in Holland? Hey, Emma. Emma, do a little turn, okay? Okay, say cool. Ready, set, wait, Dan, turn around so I get the full effect.
Like this?
Who is that in that little,
Emma.
Turn around the other way. Oh yeah, let me show you. Okay, she's got bungee corded up and down. All right, turn her around. Okay, let's see you go this way. Ready, set, take off.
Okay, look. Get it close up right here. Get it close up right here. Holding underneath.
Cool. Emma, how's it feel?
Okay.
Are you the scientist, Dan?
Cool. I thought of all of it.
Hi, Mom. Whoa! Hey, don't hit. We are. Let's see who we have here.
Here we go. Whoa. Okay, Dan.
Ah,